Hi, I'm Becky Buttons, and in this video I am going to attempt a return unboxing. So first thing, we got this box back and it is like not packed well at all. Like for real, people, if your box sounds like that when you shake it, you need to put some packing material in it. This is unacceptable packaging for equipment, for anything really, but come on now. Like this thing is falling apart. This box is, it's like, okay, that's not even, look at that. The product is coming out of the bottom of the box. I don't even need tape, there's like nothing, okay. This is the state that I have received this back in. At least they attempted to put it back in its original box, I guess, but. All right, so here is the graphic punch that was returned. From first inspection, it doesn't appear that anything is wrong with it. Sometimes with these graphic punches, if they're brand new, the paint on the inside of these dies, sometimes if it hasn't cured totally properly before it gets shipped to you, the cutting plates can stick a little bit, but that should, like once you, if it sticks and then you like unjam it, and I have another video for how to unjam a punch, but if you unjam it, you should be able to continue cutting just fine with it. So I'm gonna test this out now just to see if I can replicate whatever problem prompted this return. And so here we go. Here's some strips of graphics. Seems to be working just fine. Okay. Well, so much for a repair video. I mean, honestly, like if this isn't a testament to how well made these machines are, I don't know what is. You can just send, I mean, you shouldn't do this. You shouldn't send it back in that condition. However, this machine was returned in the condition that you saw, and it's working fine. So, all right. Well, okay, well, that about does it for this video. This machine is in perfect condition, and I will try again on the next return.